Welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are fine. And don't worry about anything, because with right attitude and right thinking, we have a solution for every problem. So today, I would like to tell you one thing which completely ruins your good impression about you. And what is that? It's occupying somebody's personal space or personal bubble. Now, what do you mean by that? Personal bubble is something which we create around us. It's a bubble or a personal space, but we can't see that or we cannot touch that. But it is present around us. And if anybody invades our personal bubble, we feel very intimidated, scary, and we consider it as a disrespectful behavior from their side. And this personal space is very important to animals as well. You can see cats, tigers, dogs, all those animals create their personal territory. So you can understand that it's very, very important for each and every individual. Now, it varies according to our culture as well. For example, Australians, North Americans, English, Nordic, or the people of Norway, all these people need more personal space or bubble. But when compared with Orientals, like Indians, Japanese, Chinese, or Latinos, South Americans, and Italians, they need less personal bubble or personal space. And when it comes to gender, it is different. Generally, females need less personal space when compared to others, because we are trained, or it's an acquired behavior that we have to be tolerant towards our culture. We need less personal space. We were trained to acquire that particular ability. But it has gone to a certain extent that when we travel in a crowded bus, when somebody leans on you or somebody tries to molest you, we don't shout or react to that particular behavior, because we consider it as violation of modesty. So we have to think twice whether we have to question that behavior. But you have to understand that modesty should be below our self-respect. We have every right to question such a behavior. And you might have seen that celebrities, they show certain attitude or certain type of behavior when their personal space is violated. That is the main reason why they behave so. It's not because of their arrogancy. Because their personal space is violated, they definitely become very awkward in their behavior. So, in the form of taking a selfie or in the form of autograph, we come near them and try to violate their personal space. So, personal space is very, very important, and it's something which definitely takes your impression if you try to invade somebody's personal space. Now, because it involves a lot of trust, that's why in an organization or institution where we work, generally the trust level is little bit less. There are competitions, it can be unhealthy, there can be promotions, depromotions, resignation, firing, everything happens in an organization. So generally the trust between the people are less. So that's the main reason why the personal bubble we create is also more. So today onwards, try to respect our own personal space and others' personal space as well. So have a great day. Thank you.